How to fix Ethernet connection not working on Windows. 1. Check your Ethernet cable and plug. 2. Try connecting your PC to another LAN port on your router. 3. Power reset the router. 4. Updating router firmware. 5. Run the network adapter troubleshooter. 6. Remove and reinstall Ethernet drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Disable then re-enable your Ethernet connection. 8. Launch network reset. 9. Disable the allow computer to turn off this device to save power option in network adapter properties. 10. Disable the proxy settings via inical.cpl.